Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be reviewing with us this LED light that I got from Shein. It is very affordable and it's just wonderful. So I decided to come here to talk to you guys about it so that any of you who is my content creator brother or sister that need this can be able to get it at a very affordable rate. So it comes with its own tripod, sort of, or stand, if I should call it. And this is me just trying to open the box so that I can show you guys what is in there. So as you can see, it comes with its own stand and something to connect the light to the stand. The stand is adjustable and it is about 2 meters tall. I'm not so sure about that. But anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and set it up now. So this is the final look. And please don't mind the look on my face. It's because I'm hungry. Anyway, this is the final look of the light, guys. And it's so beautiful. Like you can turn it any way you like, and you can adjust it and bend it whichever way you like. If you are wondering, this is the kind of cable that comes with it, and I believe there are a lot of things that you can use to connect to electricity, such as this, which I bought for my country, Nigeria. And then there's something similar that I got on TikTok shop that you can also use as well. Yes, this one. So connecting it to electricity should not be your problem at all. Now, the beautiful thing about this light is that this remote, even though it's written in Chinese, I think I could understand some of it, but this remote controls both of them, even though like they are like from different packets and they all have their individual remotes, but this remote controls them. And just take a look. Can you see? It's both reducing. This one can switch them. Oh, okay, change. Oh, this is switch off. This switch off. I literally don't know what these things do, but okay, this one changes the mood. Oh dear. Wow. It has like increased the brightness. Like, have a look. Oof, I feel like I'm sweating. Okay, light changing. Brightness reduced. So guys, this light is totally worth it, and if you want to get yours, please do so. Check Shein. I got them from Shein and they're like 14 pounds each, so it's totally worth it. All right. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time. Bye.